I used to live contained within a series of concrete rooms instead of nature. I'm now growing in the garden of freedom. So for the first time in about 7 years, I've changed my hair care routine since discovering Morrocco Method. I used to use bicarb soda but got concerned about long-term potential hair thinning. These are now my favourite shampoo and conditioner bars, which contain all natural plant-based ingredients. I genuinely love these products. All natural, cruelty-free, plant-based ingredients, and the products are made in the USA. Today I'm going to use this light blonde henna. I'm going to show you how to use it and the before and after result. And this is before. Firstly, you have to prepare the chamomile tea by adding boiling water to it, letting that sit, and then taking the powdered henna, putting it into a bowl and adding limes or lemon. It is the same lightning effect whether you use limes or lemon. Then take the steeped tea water once it's cooled and add it to the mixture, but just slowly adding it and then stirring and adding and stirring until you reach this potato mash kind of consistency. You then want to cover it really well in plastic to keep the heat in and to help the development of the mixture, and then put it aside for the next 12 hours. While I'm waiting, I'm going to use Morrocco Method's hair cutting kit to trim my fringe, which honestly grows like a weed, and these scissors are really high quality and it was a pleasure to use them. I'm by no means an expert cutter, but I'd rather do it for free, right, than pay like $30 for a haircut. Okay, it's been 12 hours, the mixture has developed, and I'm going to use a little bit of the Euro oil around my hairline so I don't dye my skin with the henna. And then it's time to apply the mixture. I do recommend putting a few drops of the oil in the mixture so it's even easier to apply. I got it through my hair and then covered with plastic, so you've got to keep that heat in. And I also put a towel around my head, and you've got to wait about 4 hours for it to process. Okay, so it's time to wash the henna out of the hair. So I just take a little bit of this conditioner to help move the product out of the hair. And I actually love the result. And here we are, the results of the Morrocco Method henna I put in my hair, and I really love the results. It's very obvious. It's lighter, I can see that. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Here's the before and after. It's more full-bodied as well. It's looking a bit flat before, and I haven't even put a conditioner or anything in it. So I'm very impressed. So don't forget to check out Morrocco Method's natural plant-based products, and I hope you enjoyed today's video.